Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with WordPress and want a super quick, foolproof way to organize your portfolio content, today I'm showing you how to quickly add a brand new project tag in WordPress. It's simple, beginner friendly, and takes less than 5 minutes. So stick with me till the end to make sure you don't miss anything. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. On the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click that to get started. From here, the fastest way to log in is by choosing Continue with Google. Select your Google account, approve the secure sign-in, and WordPress will take you straight into your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Portfolio. This is where all your portfolio items are managed and where your project tags will live. Inside the portfolio area, click on Project Tags. Think of this as the control center for creating, editing, or removing tags. Tags help you categorize and group your portfolio projects, making your site easier to navigate for visitors. Now, to create a new tag, you'll see two main fields. In the first field, type in a descriptive name for your tag, something memorable and clear like sample project tag or client work 2025. Just below that, add a short description explaining the tag's purpose. This helps you stay organized, and depending on your theme, it may also help visitors understand what the tag means. After entering your details, simply click the Add New Project Tag button. And that's it. Your tag is instantly created. You'll now see it appear in your tag list, ready to be assigned to any portfolio item you upload or edit next. And that's all you need to know to quickly add a new project tag in WordPress. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.